Taking a live look across southern Oregon and northern California. Once again, clear skies throughout the region. We will see another cold night tonight, but temperatures pretty pleasant still. 50 in Medford, 45 in Mount Shasta. We're starting to see things chilling down though in Klamath Falls. Temperature right now at 41 degrees. So here's what we are expecting as we head into tonight. Lows will drop down into the 20s in our west side valleys. Teens on the east side, but not as frigid as some of the previous nights have been for us. For the bus stop in the Rogue Valley tomorrow morning, it will be on the colder side once again, at least down into the 20s. It should stick with mainly clear skies. But as we go through the afternoon, clouds will be on the increase. We will stay dry, but it'll be mild in the afternoon. Temperatures will be in the lower 50s. Take a look at highs around the region tomorrow. 53 in Medford, up to 57 in Mount Shasta, 50 degrees in Klamath Falls. Stormcast will easily show those clouds moving on in. So we're pretty confident on that fact. Also confident that we're not going to see any precipitation. This is going to be a cold front that's going to be moving on through as we head into Friday. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds on Friday. Unfortunately, it's not going to be a system that produces much in the way of precipitation. We may see a few flurries along and east of the Cascades for Friday evening, and Stormcast is kind of picking up on that possibility, but we're going to have to keep waiting for precipitation here in southern Oregon and northern California. That cold front will pick up the winds Friday and Saturday along the coast. Notice the cooler temperatures, lower 50s for highs Friday, Saturday. The Rogue Valley, we get back to highs in the 40s, and those nights are going to get pretty cold once again as we go through this weekend. In the Basin, maybe a few evening flurries later Friday, but the big story will be the cold and windy weather on Saturday. Highs stuck in the mid-30s, but it's going to feel even colder than that with those gustier winds. And we have an even colder night ahead as we head into Saturday night. Lots of sunshine, though, and some lighter winds expected on your Sunday. Here's a look at that extended forecast. The coast, lots of sunshine this weekend. Highs in the 50s. Colder nights, though. Northern California, temperatures tumbling for the weekend. Winds will be very blustery, especially on Saturday. Taking a look at the Klamath Basin, look how cold it gets this weekend. Lower teens Saturday night, maybe even some single digits over on the east side. We do see some moderation in temperatures next week. Staying mainly dry up in the mountains, maybe a few flurries Friday evening, but we may have to wait until the end of next week to get back into an active weather pattern with more rain and snow. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that. The Rogue Valley, fairly mild tomorrow. Winds pick up Friday into Saturday as temperatures chill down, and then trending back up a bit with temperatures early next week.